Okay, this video is going to be instructions for how to add classes to your Planbook. You will be getting a schedule from the admin team, and this schedule is exactly what we would like to see in your plan book. So if it is listed on the schedule that you're given, you're going to go ahead and make sure that that gets added into your plan book. Morning meeting included, specials, lunch and recess, all of those things need to be, even switch times need to be entered into your schedules in plan book. So I've got my schedule here. You can see I've already added my morning meeting and my foundations time. So what I need to do is I need to go to the next thing. So my next thing is small group from 8:40 to 9:10. So I'm going to go here. I'm in the classes. I'm over here on the left-hand side. I click on classes. That's going to get me to this screen where I have classes up here at the top. You should have an add class button. So I'm going to add this class. It was a small group. So I have my small group class there. I can pick a color that I want my small group to be. And I'm also then going to, at the three dots, I'm going to click on more options. It's going to give me options for my small group. I've got the dates are defaulted for the school year there. The lesson layout, I want to make sure that it's the 23-24 SCE plan. Notice there is a default plan on here. You do not want that one. You want the one that says SCE. For the collaborate, we want to change that to view and import. This will allow teachers within your grade level to view your lesson plans. It helps for sharing with your grade level team. So that's important. You can hit view and edit, but that allows other people to be able to edit your plan. So if they're in there, they would be able to change them and it would change in your plan book. I think it's probably a better idea just to let them view them and import them, and then they can change them within their own plan book. Your schedule is going to stay with daily, and then I am going to click here on my check mark. You'll see that it pops up here for no time specified. So what I'm going to do is I am going to edit my schedule. I'm going to click on my small group. Sorry. Oh, this one. Sorry. Up there, it says no time specified. So I'm going to click there. My time was, what was it again? 8:40 to 9:10. So I'm going to type in 8:40. I'm going to go click over here on end time, and I'm going to type in 9:10. I'm going to click on the button that says apply to all days. And then you can see that it's moved in its designated spot. Because the format of Planbook is new this year, I'm sure that as I'm building the classes, hopefully I'll find how to put in the times right away. But at this point, I have not discovered that yet. So, but got your workaround. So once I'm done editing, I can just click done, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a new class. My next class on my schedule is a social studies booth from 9:10 to 10:10. So I'm just going to call it exactly what it is in my my schedule. I actually kind of like that mint green. I think I'm going to leave it that color. And then I'm going to go to more options. I've got my booth time. I've got here, and this just means you're using the school calendar. My lesson layout is SCE 23-24. I've got my view and import. My schedule is daily. I'm going to click here on daily same time. Oh, there you go. Daily same time. That's how I put it in. And so it was 9:10 to 10:10. So now we just saved a step, but you also know Now that if you forget to add the time, you can go back and edit. So you do know how to edit now using this. So I've got all of that in there. I'm going to click the check mark. And now that has popped up in my schedule so that I can see it. Okay, we're going to do that one more time so that we make sure that we're good and clear on it. My next one is specials from 10:10 to 10:55. So I'm going to go in here. I'm adding a class. I'm adding specials. I'm going to make specials. Picking the color is my favorite thing to do. I've already got purple. I've already got a blue. Let's do, I will say this yellow usually does not show up very well, or at least it didn't before. We'll do this color. Go to my three dots, more options. Got my specials, got my dates, lesson plan layout, make sure it's set for 23-24, collaborate, view and import. Then my schedule, I'm going to do daily, same time. So the time pops up and it was 10, 10, a.m. to 10:55. Okay, I'm good there to go. And I'm going to hit my check mark. And then it pops up on my daily schedule. So that is how you add classes so that your plan book will look exactly like your schedule.